Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting both devices ready. Turn Bluetooth on for your phone or tablet and the speaker or TV you will use. Once done, open the YouTube app and make sure you're signed in if you want personalized playback. Put the speaker or TV into pairing mode now. Look for a blinking LED or a pairing message on the screen, because without pairing mode, the next steps won't find the device. Once the target device is discoverable, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and scan. Select the speaker or TV name from the list. You may need to confirm a code or tap accept on both devices. Do that to establish a secure link. After pairing, go back to YouTube. Start a video and then tap the audio output or cast icon to choose the newly paired device, so audio routes correctly to the speaker or TV. Now verify playback by playing a YouTube video and listening for sound on the external device. Make sure volume is up on both the phone and the speaker or TV. If you hear nothing, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reselect the output in YouTube. This often clears connection glitches. If that still fails, restart the app or the devices, then remove and repair the Bluetooth connection as the final recovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.